Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Gboard settings, open the Gboard app or go to Settings System Languages and input and select Gboard. Once in, tap Preferences to reveal height controls. You want to act now, scroll to Keyboard Height and Layout. Adjusting height here changes the visible keys and thumb zones, so make small changes first. You'll see the visual preview, use it as feedback. Make sure to keep the keyboard visible while switching between portrait and landscape. To test the base, now adjust the keyboard height slider to a level that balances reach and visibility. Choose one of the 5 presets or drag for finer control. Once done, explore layout. Switch to one-handed to shrink and shift, or floating to move the keyboard anywhere. Both affect how height feels. Make sure to test typing in a quick notes app to feel key spacing. If you use a tablet or large phone, try split layout. Keep checking the preview and iterate until keys feel natural. Finish by tapping back or done to save your adjustments, then try typing in messaging and browser apps to confirm consistent behavior. If suggestions strip or keys overlap, reopen preferences and slightly reduce height. Make sure floating mode isn't enabled unintentionally. Once resolved, you're set. If the keyboard still behaves oddly, clear Gboard's cache in app info or uninstall and reinstall as a last resort. This preserves settings only sometimes. Remember, small incremental changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.